If you're a creator, you know it's easy to lose focus. Psst.
Oh yes, hey there. You've caught me in a moment of pure productivity. I know it doesn't look like I'm doing anything on my YouTube channel right now, but that's because vidIQ is hard at work for me.
vidIQ makes it easy to see the bigger picture, from complete video analysis to keyword and topic research to recommended channel actions. It's all here in one place, so you can focus on the stuff that matters.
Nice. You know what really helps me as a YouTuber? It's getting those analytics that help me spot trends so that I can use them for my own videos.
And to see the breakdown of your channel's progress in real time. When you're creating content, you shouldn't have to worry if your video will get noticed on YouTube.
So with vidIQ, it's pretty simple. Spend more time creating and less time working. How's that even possible?
Download and install vidIQ for free at vidIQ.com.